Abdullah bin Shaqiq says that he inquired of Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha about the optional prayer of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. She whereupon said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would perform 4 units before the Zohr in my house. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would exit the apartment and lead the people in the prayer, and then come home and perform 2 units. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam would lead the people in the Maghrib prayer and then enter the house and perform 2 units. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam would lead the people in the Isha prayer and then enter my apartment and perform 2 units. At night, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would perform 9 units, including the odd prayer. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam would prolong the standing and sitting at night. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would make a recitation standing, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would perform the bowing and prostration standing. And when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would make recitation sitting, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would perform the bowing and prostration sitting, and perform 2 units after the daybreak. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 1696.